Alright guys, hello guys, so welcome to my ice boat racing vid. Today we will just be ice boat racing about 3 laps or something, but at the end I'll add extra 2 for extra subscribers, of course. Now let's just get to the video. Alright, in the comments just rate my ice boat racing skills. Special shout out to my friends and my grade 4 classmates, of course. Also special thanks to my best friend. He's the one who motivated me all the time. Also, if I die, all the laps get restarted. So you can watch my ice boat racing skills on lap 1. Then I would just speedrun the rest. Cause yeah, of course, cause why not? Oh, no! Hell no! Why? Never mind. Let's just continue. Also, guys, I have a goal of 100 subscribers, so please subscribe. Come on. I want that 100 subscribers. At the end of the decade. Just kidding. At the end of the year, of course. I don't want to wait a damn long time. I don't want to wait 10 years and get 10 updates of Minecraft. Oh, God save me. I had many fails. On the second lap, I'll give a shout out to someone and subscribe to him too. Alright, this is first lap. You're now allowed to rate my skill from 1 to 5. Also subscribe and a big shout out to Tarafis. How do I say this? Taratises. I think it's Spanish, I think. Cool name though. Subscribe to Serial Wave, aka me. But guys, can you give me some logos for my channel? I don't know how to. Just make some logos for Serial Wave, aka me, of course. Also, if you say that why there's redstone, it's because I'm on Pocket, not Vanilla, aka Java Minecraft. Also, I go down because I am also on, because of course this is Pocket Edition. Second lap, nice. Oh, God saved me with my hitbox. Basically, Jason hitbox from Forsaken. Don't mind why I added Roblox. Why I mentioned Roblox in a damn block game. Also, sorry for lack of uploads. I don't have any ideas. Also, I'm too lazy to upload these days. I also have school. So, don't mind me. Four minutes into the vid already. 2 laps. Also, guys, sorry for the yapping. I'll just shut up. I'll just shut up. Just focus on the video. Also, how do I even remove the Minecraft music? It's kind of disturbing the video. Minecraft. Make a setting where you can remove the damn music. I don't want to hear this music that makes my ears bleed. Except for C18. Or was it? I don't know. Let's focus on the video. Sorry for yapping. Also on the 2 extras, even though I die, it'll still stay on 4 laps or 5 laps. Yay, my 3rd lap. Okay, stop yapping time. I'll just only say on what lap I am. Technically, I guess. And let's just remove that row if I die. If I die, all the laps will be gone. Let's just remove that row because I don't want to do all of that again. I'm too lazy. But we're still on 3rd lap. Okay. I'll shut up now. Just calm down. Also, if you dare even beg in the damn comment section, I might even delete your damn comment. But I'll give you a warning first. If you do that one more time, a second warning by pinning you, the pin of shame, of course. Then the 3rd time, you will be erased from the comment section. Alright, that's the 4th lap. Man, I could have gotten a damn consecutive laps. Also, sorry for my quiet voice. I don't speak that loudly. Also, don't call me emo, okay? My voice is just normally deep. Okay. Shut up. I'll just shut up now. Yo, I think we're close. Please do not let me die, God. I gotta finish this damn video. Yes. I did it. Yeah, I can now finally finish the video after 8 minutes and 30 seconds of recording. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Also remember my sub goal. What do you mean sub goal? My sub goal is 100 subscribers. So please like and subscribe.